everyone, I'm Pauline and our craft for today is to make a bird. So you don't need very much today. Some pens and pencils, scissors, glue, some coloured paper or some white paper if you prefer to colour that in or make a design yourself. Okay, so one piece of A4 paper, and we are going to fold that in two and then cut this up this line to make it into two equal parts. Okay, and then we're going to do some folding. So we're going to fold one half into two, and then we're going to fold it into two again and again, so that you're left with this. Now run your fingers up these creases so that when we open it up they're nice and obvious. Okay, now we're going to do a little bit more folding, and we are going to fold back and forward into these lines that were the creases we've already made, but we need to turn it back and forward like this so that we're making them much smaller now. Okay, and you're going to do that the whole way up one piece of paper and also up the other until you end up with two pieces like this. Next, we're going to put glue up the side of the whole length of one of the strips and also up. So if it's the last one of that and the first one of this piece, and we're going to pop them together. Okay, and again give them a good stick so that they'll stay together. Okay, now if you push the whole thing together now, so it's like this, and we've got to find the middle. So if you can fold it just so that we get a mark for the middle. So I've got a wee mark there for the middle. A piece of wool, string, thread, whatever you've got, and we're going to tie that in a knot there right in the middle. Okay. Now, I'll just let you see this. Okay, so there we are, tied there. Now the next gluing bit is between these and these. So let's do this one, and again lots of glue to get it to stick now really well. Keep your wool out of the way. So like that onto there. So you see we've got a sort of a fan shape here now. Okay. And then do the same at the other side. Oops. Other side here. Okay. And then press those two together. And we've got a whole circle. Like so. Okay. Now, we'll leave that aside to dry just now. And we can work on the other bits. So you'll need to make an eye or use a googly eye if you prefer. You will need a beak. You will need to draw out a wing shape. So here's my wing. You will need to make some feet. So if you get a piece of paper and draw on your foot shape, and either make two pieces of paper at once or cut out one and then draw another one and cut it out. Okay, so that gives you your feet. We need to make the legs. Now we're going to do folding again. So get two strips of paper like this, and again we're just going to do that sort of concertina effect, going back and forward. Okay, all the way up the leg. And then you can open it up and you can either pull it right down to make a nice long leg, or if you want your bird to have a shorter leg, then you just don't pull it out so far. Okay, onto the end of each of the legs you'll need to glue a foot. Okay, so hopefully this is about dry by now. And I'm going to cut off, you can cut off this taily end now. okay? And I'm going to place the features. So here's my eye. So some glue on the back of my eye. See where I think I would like to put it. If you think about there looks right. I think that might be about right. Press it down a wee bit to get it to stick. Then we'll do the same with the beak. See where I want to put that, and again press it on your wing. Again, some glue. Put that about there maybe. Okay, is it looking okay? And then on the top section of each of the legs, and we'll press them onto the back of the bird, watching that you don't knock anything else off. Now, and there we are. Okay, now you could attach a string here if you would like to hang it up. You could put feathers on if you want. It's up to you. Now, we really like to see what you've been up to. So if you can get a grown-up to pop a picture of your bird into the comments section on the Library Yay Facebook page, that would be fantastic. Look forward to seeing you again soon. Bye-bye.